Hello and welcome. You're watching the Rundown Report, and in today's special episode, we're zooming out from the usual headlines and into the balance sheets. Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta have collectively spent hundreds of billions on AI-related capex since 2025, building data centers, buying AI chips, and launching new AI cloud services. But this earnings season, investors are closely watching whether these investments are actually showing up in higher cloud revenue, better margins, and stronger cash flow, or if the markets are overpriced for future AI hopes. Nvidia has had the biggest AI win so far with its data center GPUs and AI software stack, powering everything from large language models to autonomous driving research. In the first half of 2026, Nvidia stock has surged yet again after reporting record data center revenue. But there are growing concerns that expectations may be too high if chip demand slows or if competitors like AMD and custom chip makers catch up. AI servers need far more memory and storage than traditional workloads, and that's helping companies like Micron, Western Digital, and Seagate. In 2026, these firms have seen strong price performance as hyperscalers order more high bandwidth DRAM, faster SSDs, and higher density storage systems. But investors are now watching whether AI-driven demand can hold through the year or if oversupply risks can come back. In Asia, Samsung, TSMC, and SK Hynix have become central to the global AI chip story, supplying advanced logic and memory chips used in AI data centers worldwide. In 2026, their shares have risen sharply on AI demand, but geopolitical risks, especially around Taiwan and export controls, have also turned them into high beta plays, with sharper swings when new AI or trade policy headlines hit. Analysts are warning that the hyperscalers may have front-loaded massive AI-related capex, buying servers, GPUs, and data center space on the assumption that AI demand will keep rising. If AI adoption slows or if regulators start pushing back on those AI spendings, these companies could face margin pressure in 2026 and beyond, turning fast-growing AI investment into a drag on earnings. Tech stocks tied to Taiwan-based and Asia-centric chip makers are riding AI demand, but also sitting on a geopolitical tightrope. Export controls, supply chain reshuffling, and US-China style tensions. Even as AI chips keep selling, investors are pricing in higher risk. Any hint of disruption in the chip supply chain can trigger sharp moves in these names. Well, that is all the time we have on this episode of Rundown Report. Keep watching the mainstream for more news and updates. This is Arushi Mishra.